Okay, what is abstraction? So abstraction is nothing but hiding internal logic or code and showing only functionality to the users is known as a abstraction. So like you take ATM, one best example, phone call, sending a message, everything is abstracted. Abstracted means not showing to you guys. So anybody cannot see that. That's abstraction. And you can enjoy the functionality. Like you are calling to your friends or anybody. You're just enjoying, but what logic behind that, we don't know. So we don't need to bother about that also. That kind of entity we have in our real world entity also, real world. So many scenarios we find like this. That's abstraction. So abstraction you can achieve with the abstract class and interface concept. So two ways you can achieve the abstraction. So first one is abstract class. If a class contains abstract keyword, then that class is called abstract class. Till now we have seen normal class we created. Yesterday we created a final class. And today I'm introducing another keyword, abstract keyword, that can be used or declared a class as abstract. That is called abstract class. So what will be there in the abstract class? So what is the difference between normal class and abstract class? So there is a difference. So abstract class has abstract keyword before class keyword. Then in the body, the members are different. You can declare any kind of variables. You can declare abstract methods and concrete methods. See, concrete methods has a body, but abstract methods doesn't have a body. Can you see here? Just a declaration. It's just your idea you are going to put in the abstraction, but implementation will happen for that idea in the classes. That's the same here. Your idea name, you will keep it here. That idea implementation will go and happen in another class. Same idea you can implement in different ways also in different classes based on your requirement. So that's the abstract method means. So concrete method means fully developed methods. And then constructors. That means an abstract class can have variables, constructors, concrete methods. Concrete methods is nothing but a defined methods. Implementation happened already. The logic you can give for the concrete methods. Concrete means completely developed. The logic is written in the same abstract class. Then what is abstract methods? A method, just a declaration will be there, no body at all. That is called abstract method. So what is that? A method which just has a declaration, doesn't have a body. That is called abstract method. So syntax is like this: abstract void method name. That's it. No body. Abstract void method name with parameters also you can declare. Abstract method with return type also you can declare. These are the different ways you can declare your abstract methods. And concrete methods, completely will develop them in the same class. So abstract class, this abstract class needs to be extended to another class to implement the abstract methods. We will use extends keyword, and we cannot create object for abstract class. Why we not create object for abstract class? The reason is abstract class has both unimplemented methods and implemented methods, right? If unimplemented methods are there is no logic for them. How can we use them? If you create object, you have to call the methods, right? Without logic, you cannot use the methods. That's why you should not create object for any abstract class or any interface. We should not create object for the any abstract class and any interface. Anytime, don't try to create object for the abstract class and interface. So partial abstraction you can achieve with this abstract class. Partial abstraction means what? Partial you are hiding with abstract methods. Partial you are showing the code for the methods. That's a abstract class means. Okay, so let's go and see this. You can develop the method so that we can understand. So right click, new class. Let's create the abstract class. I'll just create abstract demo. But you make sure you check this checkbox. Make sure you check this checkbox. And I select the main method of can we execute or not, you can see, right? What are all variables you can declare? I can declare static variables. I can declare static variables. Any static variable you can declare. Static final variables also you can declare. See, private, static, int a equal to 10. Public, static, final, long, max, num equal to 250. Like this, I can declare a final variables also. I can declare non-static variables also. All types of variables you can declare. Any kind of variables you can declare in the abstract class. See, the keyword abstract keyword is there. That's why it is abstract class. So for any abstract class, you should not create object. That means in the same class, you cannot execute the non-static methods. Same class you cannot execute. So you have to extend this class to another child class. There you implement the abstract methods. Then you can use that. Protected float f equal to 3.56f. And if you want double d equal to 20.54. Like you can declare all kinds of variables. I just declared a variables. So all different types of access modifiers also I have used. Now, even I can create a constructor also. See, I can create a constructor. So public. So what is the constructor? How can you create? Class name and constructor name is same. Default constructor for the abstract demo class. Okay, it's just one simple. Now I am declaring abstract methods. All different type of methods you can declare, right? Abstract void run method. Basically, remember the abstract methods are by default non-static methods only. Abstract string send message string str. This is the kind of abstract methods we can declare. And concrete methods are defined. So what is meant by concrete methods? Methods which has
implementation.
It has body or logic is written. Simple way. Abstract methods, those are declared but no body. Okay, that's the definition of concrete methods. That means implemented methods, these are called concrete methods. Unimplemented methods are called abstract methods. See, these are not implemented, no definition given for this. What this method has to do, I'm not telling anything. I just declared it. That's it. So that's the one point. And let me show you another method I'll write. Protected. Static method one I'll write. Non-static method also I'll write one. So print small a to small z using for loop. Just do some programs. We want all kinds of things. Char c equal to a, c less than or equal to z c plus plus. C. So I'll just print in the same line, okay? So I don't want /t. ln I'm removing so that it will print in the same line. Okay. So next the same I'll print ASCII characters for this. But let's finish quickly this one so that we can easily move out of this. So interface is a very important concept. Print A to Z ASCII codes. So just remove int. That's it. So it will automatically print that. Okay. So see, you can execute only non-static cannot be executed here. If you create object, it will throw error. If I create object for this, it will throw error. See, it's complaining. So what is the complaint? Cannot instantiate the type abstract demo. Cannot instantiate means what? Cannot create object. That's why you should not create object for the. So you should not create object for the abstract class. Remember this point. Okay. So that's why I'm commenting out. But I cannot execute here non-static methods. So then what you need to do, I have to implement these things also, right? You have to extend this class. You have to extend this class to some other class. So implement abstract. So create a new class. implement abstract class. But here you can execute, you can call static methods, right? You can call static methods. See what are the static methods? This one. You can call static methods, but not non-static. Non-static, if you want to call, you need a object. Even you can call the variables also. Static variable. What is a static variable? A. So directly you can call static members. You can call directly in the same class under a main method. So you can execute it. It executed perfectly. No issues in that. Now, how you will implement these abstract methods? So we have to implement in this child class. So you have to use extends keyword and then write the abstract class name. Then it will ask add unimplemented methods. See that the type implement abstract class must implement the inherited abstract method abstract demo dot send message. So you select this mouse over here in this child class and select this option add unimplemented methods. You are overriding here. So that means in the abstraction also you are getting method overriding and also inheritance you are getting. Okay, that's a main concept you need to get here. Method overriding you are doing. You're overriding the methods. So even I can write here what I want to return. So see, I can reduce again storing in the some other variable again. Instead of that, I can just directly I can do that. So I can concatenate. See now main method inside I can call. Even I can call this parent class methods also. I need to create first parent class. ABS OBJ equal to new, not this one. You have to give child class object where you overridden that methods. If you want, you have to create object for child class. You create object for child class. You create object for child class. And now you can call with this object reference. You can call run method. Dot run method. Dot print C. ASCII codes. Even you can call variables also. Non-static variables. So only a non-static variables you can use with object, right? So dot F. F you didn't declare here, but we declared in this parent class. We are calling with object reference. And so what else on the static methods you can call directly. So print A to Z. You can call directly. Static methods you can call directly in the inheritance, right? So inheritance here followed. And method overriding is following. And this is a runtime polymorphism. Parent type, that variable pointing to child class object. So the runtime polymorphism. And also abstract methods you are implementing in the child class. So this is the how you can implement the abstract class methods in the child class. Okay. The constructor is called first. Are you observing here? When I create object, constructor is called first. Then run method is calling. So I need to call send this this send message, right? Send message is a return type method. So return type method I can print in the print statement. Greetings are ABS dot send message. That's it. Okay. So you can see hello, good morning. And given the new string to us. So this is the how you can implement the abstract class methods in the child class. Then you refer parent class, that variable pointing to child class object. And this is also called upcasting also, right? And a runtime polymorphism in this line is followed by runtime polymorphism. So that's all about abstract class. Any questions before stopping?